Hi guys, so my cold is still here, but it hasn't actually been very sneezy. It's more my throat, as I'm sure you can probably hear. I have, however, managed to get my hands on some Chinkni, however you pronounce it, so I'm going to try that and see how that works. Okay, it's not doing anything yet. Is it meant to right away? I'm not sure. Oh. Gosh. I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to wait for. It's tickling. Gosh. I mean, nothing's happening. Should it have happened by now? I mean, should I go for more? I mean, something's happening. It is tickling. Okay, I guess it works. Two, is that all? Gosh. I've seen some people get like 10 plus and I get 2. Well, that was disappointing.